Guys, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G, and let me show you how to reset all the settings in this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the settings, then find and select system settings, then scroll all the way down and click on backup and reset. Here go to reset phone and now select reset all settings. Then draw an unlock pattern to enter the next panel. And now if you truly want to remove all the setup on your device, just click on reset all settings, confirm it one more time. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone. And as you can see, the display has been already reset. Just give it a couple more seconds to fully reset itself. Yep, and that's it. As you can see, system settings have been restored. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.